Nasdaq Composite with the 5 month rally. Yes, sir. Straight up traders. We called it all the way. We've been up there. We have all the trades. Listen, the nice thing about it is we're going to get a nice big pullback in the Nasdaq Composite. We ran up too far, too fast, parabolic 5 months. Yes, it's a great bull market, but it's quite abnormal. There is nothing normal about a 5 month parabolic straight up move without a nice 3 to 5% pullback, which is coming in the very near future. We recommend that you start taking profits and knowing when to sell and when to get out because that correction could start on Monday. And we have earnings season coming. Once again, sign up with that Tommy Trader. Get in that live trading room. Let us power you. Let us show you what we know. Take the time to see us in that live trading room. Sign it up now. Get paid. Big pullback in the NASDAQ composite. It's just right around the corner, trader.